How you doing? Dave Bertram here at the 2025 Boston Boat Show, and today I'm going to take you through the all-new 2025 Bertram 34 center console. This boat has a lot of Bertram heritage to it, and this boat is going to be equipped with V10 400s, of course joystick control, joystick piloting, skyhook, autopilot, everything that you would expect with the joystick. Here in the transom, you've got a nice transom fold-out seat. Again, very easily folds away. And now look at the area you've got back here for working a fish or for just entertaining. Great rear-facing mezzanine seating. Of course, you've got an insulated cooler underneath there. Everything in the boat is really, really nicely finished. You've got a huge live well back here, port side. You do have fish boxes, of course, both port, starboard, and you're gonna have 4 fish boxes, 2 here, 2 forward. On this boat, you'll notice you got your rocket launchers. This boat has the optional sunshade, which comes aft. So if you're going to entertain or you're going to fish, this boat really does it all. As you come in, you'll notice it's going to have a port side dive door. Again, really nicely finished. The first thing that you're going to be drawn to is going to be these teak ladderback helm seats. And again, 34 feet. This boat has an 11.7 beam, so this is a much bigger boat than what it feels. 3 helm seats. Most 33s, you're not going to find 3 helm seat wide. You're going to find 2. But again, beautiful helm seats, teak ladderback. Underneath here, not to get too technical, but there are all the batteries under here. And that's really nice instead of having them in the bilge because it's a much drier area for the batteries. And then, of course, you've just got a nice tackle storage underneath. Here at the helm, again, very simple but really nicely finished. Dual Garmin screens. All of your push buttons are going to be backlit. Joystick. You got your automatic trim tabs and your digital throttle. And again, look at how wide this console is. You've got a lot of protection from the elements. You do have a vent forward. And then, of course, all of your engine management will be on your Garmin's, but you've also got it duplicated up here in your Mercury screen. And, of course, you've got some overhead storage here, which is lockable. One of the big things on this 34 is this is going to have a real cabin that 2 adults could really sleep in. And I'll have you look down there. It's really a queen size. Now, this is in the berth. The berth setup, whereas that does fold up so that you do have some more room as you come down. And there is a marine toilet over here as you come down starboard side, again with a freshwater sink. As we come forward, again, just notice how deep this boat is on you. Notice how wide these gunnels are. Again, we're on a 34-foot boat. It's a much bigger boat than a 34. Forward area, again, huge bow, very, very deep. You've got plenty of storage. You do have cup holders everywhere. Again, 3 more storage drawers. You got a really nice forward-facing seat, again, with all storage insulation underneath. And then these seats forward, storage underneath, removable bow table. But again, you find yourself, I mean, look at how high the backrest is. Really, really comfortable boat, really deep boat. And I personally ran the boat. The boat is very dry. It's a really great running boat. So really urge you to get on this thing because it's much more than what it looks like on camera. Again, this is the 2025 Bertram 34 center console here at the Boston Boat Show. For more information, visit us at MarineMax.com or call me at 401-569-3874. Thanks again.